Boy, this fidget spinner is awful fun. But what should we do with it? I have an idea. Let's supercharge a fidget spinner. Please like and subscribe for this video. I need to hit 10 subscribers so I can eat the habanero. I'm going to do a habanero challenge. Ain't going to eat a ghost pepper because that's nuts and I'm going to die. Yep. But I'm going to show you what supercharging a fidget spinner is. You get a compressor. So you get a compressor and you turn the fidget spinner. This should turn over 200 miles per hour. So, and crap. So let's do it. But first it's powering up, so it takes a while to power up, but eventually we'll get it fidget. But right now, we're going to be playing with our fidgets. I call this the fidget forehead. Doesn't really work. Well, that's stupid. I have a better idea. Is it almost powered up? Okay, it's almost full power. So we're gonna place it on the ground. Is it good? All right, it's good. Watch this. It's turning so fast. What? Look at this. Look at this. It's vibrating like crazy. Wow, that was amazing. It was truly amazing doing it. Still can't do it. Alright, so in just a second, we're gonna do it again. So it's almost full power. Alright, do it one more time. Oh my God! What the heck? Please subscribe. This is just nuts. Look at this. I actually found this out on the internet, by the way. So yeah, guys, that was very dramatic. How far are we? Okay, we're 4 minutes in. So, please subscribe. It was very fun doing this. I found this out on the internet. I saw people doing that. I'll see you on the next video, and bye.